My name is Roberto Coscia. I'm a QA engineer, and today's video I want to see with you the new developed operator, which is a new feature that has been released with ChatGPT in US, and that potentially will go everywhere else. It is not currently released in Europe, and we'll see when this happen. But it is released now in US. First of all, um, what this tool does is to allow to perform operation on the PC and on the browser. Um, Probably just on the browser moment, but um, currently there are solutions like Anthropic Computer for Use that allow to use your computer with prompts. This operator basically promises to start performing some actions that can be used by users, like doing shopping, booking a seat in a table, theater, and different places. And that's actually very interesting. So let's start seeing a little bit how it goes.
You'll also see we have a list of pre-filled prompts here. These are not really meant to be recommendations. These are meant to be things that, to give you an idea of what operator can do.
Well, first thing, you see that the interface is very similar to the one of ChatGPT. The website to reach this feature is operator.chatgpt.com. I think .com. But anyway, let's see. Yes, ChatGPT.com. As you can see, it's not available here in Europe. And as they're saying, it display a few possible actions it could make it as an advice. Let's see.
And which is, for some reason, operator OpenTable thought we were in Virginia. So I'm going to expand this a little bit. So
as you can see, here they brought a prompt, book me a table for two at Beretta tonight, 7 p.m. And you can see that the thinking model is basically determining some action to make.
as I typed in the
OpenTable is one of the systems in which people can book table, and it's like an API that allow that to happen.
query, operator instantiated a completely remote browser. This browser is running in the cloud somewhere. And as you can see, it's already up and running. And my hands are off the keyboard. I'm not typing these things.
So this is just the AI's clicking around.
AI is just clicking around. It started this browser session. It knew where OpenTable website is, which is opentable.com. As you can see, it's summarized chain of thought here as well, which is it's gone to the URL, searched for Beretta, and something cool really happened, which is for some reason, operator OpenTable thought we were in Virginia, and it auto-corrected itself to San Francisco.
Okay, first of all, this is fantastic, and I realized that obviously, considering that this feature has just been released, it's quite slow in performing these actions, but it's definitely impressive. And also, it's impressive the fact that it can autocorrect itself.
This is using, so like ChatGPT, in Operator, you can also give custom instructions. I'm going to show this really quickly here. Okay. So I've given a custom instruction that for queries that need it, I live in San Francisco. So Operator recognized that and then auto-corrected itself to go to Beretta. Okay, looks like 7 p.m. isn't available, but you know what? 7:45 is just fine. So we're going to go do that. So in this case, Operator came back, and this is a really good example of task delegation where
So there might be some back and forth that you need to do with the tool because it might realize that the table is not booked or might come back. But it's great. It's fantastic to use this in your arsenal. It make basically the new promotion of the tool also make an example on the same on performing the same action actually with the shopping.
what do we all want to do?
I hear the Lakers are in town this weekend.
Lakers in town, definitely.
Let's
Should
watch
we
the
all go
game.
see the
Yeah,
game?
let's do it.
All right. Okay, so we are going to use StubHub. Can you get us 4 tickets?
Also here you need to be sure that the place you want to use to buy tickets, to potentially do shopping. the specific APIs that allow you to perform that action. If it's not gonna be the case, obviously it's not gonna work.
The Warriors game, not the Lakers.
Excuse me, you're right.
This weekend in SF. Best seats. Do a lot of tasks in parallel. Much what we would do is just like, go to a search engine.
I will skip. Let's discuss one thing I want to show in the end of this video. As you can see here, that the benchmark that currently we're at with the operator, it shows that it is basically it scored 38.1% for computer use and browser, and 58.1% for browser use. This made me think and confirm that the operator is both for computer use and browser use. Initially, I mentioned only for browser, but yes, it is for both, which is great. Also, it's important to notice that currently the human score is 72%, so we're a long way to go to achieve similar performance that we did to feel safe about using it, but it is a very good start and make us really think about where this can go. That's it. That's it from today. But just to give a small panoramic of operator. I hope that this was useful for you. If you find it useful, please subscribe to the channel to get more content like similar to this. And we will see in the next video.